Welcome to the Summer 2022 edition of Watch the E-Globe. Hello everyone, my name is Mayurika and I am a Fall 2021 MDP student.
And I'm David, a Spring 2022 MPP student.
David, we may have many new viewers to our series, so could you briefly tell us what Watch the E-Globe is?
Certainly. Started in May 2021, Watch the E-Globe shares interesting information about what's been going on here at KDI School outside of the classroom.
Thank you. So to start off the summer edition of Watch the E-Globe, we would like to mention that the summer semester started off with a transition back to offline classes and activities in line with the relaxing of social distancing rules.
Yes, and to finish off the semester, the completion ceremony for students completing their academic work was also held at KDI School on August 8th. And on behalf of all the students and staff here at KDI School, we also sincerely congratulate all students who have completed this term. KDI School also recently welcomed 5 new professors to the school family. Professors Min-sung Kang, Sung-ho Park, Dong-il Lee, Seo-hyun Lee, and Young-jae Kim joined us in July and August.
All 5 professors will be teaching classes in the upcoming fall semester, so keep an eye out for their classes when you're registering for your fall courses.
And now, let's meet one of our new professors, Professor Seo-hyun Lee.
Hi, my name is Seo-hyun Lee and I'm joining the KDI School from this July as an assistant professor in economics. I recently came from the IMF where I worked as an economist for Asia and Pacific Department, and also I worked at the Bank of Korea as a research economist. So my research interest is a field of empirical macroeconomics, and my recent work is investigating the causes and consequences of economic uncertainty. What attracted me to the KDI School was that it is one of the best institutions with academic excellence and also diversity. From fall semester, I will be teaching advanced macroeconomic policy. So enjoy your summer and see you next semester.
The warm weather that accompanies the summer semester definitely has its benefits because students were able to enjoy several offline activities planned by KDI School.
Yes, the first offline activity was the soccer festival, also known as the Dean's Cup. That was held on the 13th of May on the school sports field. Another offline activity that was open to all students at KDIS who wished to share their culture with local Korean students was the KDI School Talent Donation Program. In cooperation with Sejong City, KDI School students visited public schools in Sejong to conduct one-day classes about themselves and their cultures to Korean students and to contribute towards making Sejong a more international city.
That sounds really meaningful. Now, let's hear what one of our participants had to say about their experience.
My name is Kwati Hans Pekwanga, and I'm an MDP 2021 student from Cameroon. In relation to the Sejong Talent Donation, I should say it was a great experience as it gave me the opportunity to share with elementary school kids some cultural, geographic, and historic aspects of Cameroon where I come from. I did not only teach, but also learn a lot from the kids, as this was my very first experience interacting with kids from a different background in such a great setting.
And of course, how can we forget about the Song and Dance Festival that was held on the 22nd of July?
I heard that it was quite the success with many students and faculty members.
There were 15 awesome performances that showcased the cultural diversity of KDI School as well as the talents of many individuals. Our warm congratulations to Team BWKR who gave a powerful performance that incorporated singing, dancing, and theatrical talent to take the first place at the Song and Dance Festival.
Moving on to more academic-related news, KDI School introduced a new Ph.D. program in Public Policy and Management with the application period set to open in September of this year. This PhD program was newly established to expand the educational function of public officials and to cultivate internationalization capabilities of domestic public workers.
This program provides a flexible language environment with Korean-based classes and English-based writing components. We hope that many domestic students will apply for the first PhD program offered in Korean here at KDI School.
With the recruitment period for the 2023 spring semester quickly coming up, KDI School is planning to hold an open house for all prospective applicants. I think it will be a valuable opportunity for interested individuals to find out more about the school and pursuing their higher education here.
Yes, I think so too. The open house is scheduled to be held on the 27th of August this year, and I will definitely be recommending it to some of my friends who are looking to apply for master's and PhD degrees at KDI School.
KDI School has strived to provide amazing and unique opportunities for its students. Two such opportunities include the Junior Scholarship Fellowship Program and the Global Leadership Program, both targeting a diverse audience to offer an incredible experience for their personal and professional development.
The Junior Scholarship Fellowship Program was operated in partnership with the Korean Ministry of Foreign Affairs to invite students from China, Japan, and the US who are currently studying in Korea. They learned about various topics like Korean culture, politics, and history through field trips to key areas including Seoul, Jeju, and Busan.
The Global Leadership Program approached experience and education from a different angle. This program invited 34 policymakers from both developing and G20 member nations with the goal to foster a deeper understanding of Korea's response to the global agenda.
We hope that the participants found these two programs useful and interesting, and we hope that the new knowledge and experience they gain will serve them well in the future. David, you studied computer programming, right? Are you doing the news data science concentration as a part of your degree program?
Yep. Even though I have some knowledge with computers and programming, the courses that the school has prepared was a bit different from what I was used to in my undergraduate years. I didn't realize how useful code could be for understanding data and for the betterment of policymaking. The school has been doing some really interesting stuff outside of the lectures too. Have you heard of the Summer Institute for Computational Science?
No, what is it?
KDI School, in partnership with KAIST, co-hosted a program called the Summer Institute for Computational Science. It is a program that originally started in the United States, and this past session was the first time it was held in Korea. The program offers select students the opportunity to enjoy an intensive 2-week program consisting of networking opportunities, special lectures, problem-solving practices, research projects, and more.
Oh, I heard that Professor Jaeon Kim participated in organizing committee for this opportunity too.
That is certainly true. Despite only recently joining the KDI School faculty ranks, he was responsible for an important role in furthering Korea's integration with data science. One of her colleagues, Won-Yuen Lu, actually participated in the program. Shall we see what she has to say about her experience?
SICSS was one of the most amazing summer school experience I ever participated in. During the 2 weeks, I met many excellent talents from different academic backgrounds and gave me a chance to communicate and cooperate with each other on the research project, and also share the thoughts on topics that we are interested in. I believe that the knowledge I gained and the friendship I made at SICSS will become a solid foundation to realize my research idea in the future.
The Korean Alumni Knowledge Forum is a place where Korean alumni can come together to share and discuss current global issues while expanding their knowledge horizon.
The third forum of this year was led by former KDI School professor and politician Hee Suk-yoon. This forum was titled BTS, My Liberation Diary and the Korean Economy, and the professor used these two elements from Korean pop culture to address the state of the Korean economy. In other great news, with the COVID-19 pandemic being brought under control in many countries, we are seeing more and more alumni gathering events taking place. In the month of June alone, the Alumni Association reported 4 major gatherings taking place.
The June events took place in Guatemala, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Uzbekistan, with several smaller reunions held outside of these 4 locations as well. Uzbekistan stood out with over 40 alumni participating.
And on the topic of alumni associations, We would also like to congratulate the newly established Zambian Alumni Association, composed of 13 KDIS members. The addition of the Zambian Alumni Association brings the total number of alumni associations at KDI School to 57. As it is difficult to find an institution with such a big number of alumni associations, I am proud to be joining this community soon.
That brings us to the end of our segment today. Thank you for joining us for the Summer 2022 recap of Watch the E-Globe. Stay tuned for the fall edition, and until next time, please stay safe.
I've been your anchor, Mayurika Dulanjani.
And I'm David Wu.
Signing off.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed doing this show.
That was great to have here. Yeah, I had a lot of fun too, but... 끝났다!